welcome back to my channel. So today I am here in London again. This is like almost like the second part of the like London vlogs from yesterday and today. So we are currently heading to Whole Foods, which we don't really have many in the UK. I don't know if there's only one in London, is there?
No, there's a few in London.
Oh, there's a few in London. But like we don't really have many in the rest of the UK because like they're mainly in America. I think we went to one in New York. That's where we're heading to get some breakfast. We've got the goods, cereal, maple sunrise. So it's got, unfortunately it doesn't come with the strawberries, of which I was hoping for. I was like, oh look at these, they've got, I thought they had like dried strawberries in, but they don't. It's just the like grain. Milk, it's not very interesting. An apple and mango juice, and then we're about to eat it. Yeah, it looks like Rice Krispies, those like golden nugget things. Do you remember what they were called? I don't remember what they're called. And like some cornflake things all mixed in together. We'll see what it tastes like. Hopefully it's good. We are in H&M. Earlier we went to the photographer's gallery. Most of it was shut because it's being refurbished or something, but we went to like one of the exhibition things. And now we're in H&M and I'm not sure where we're going next. We just saw the cafe that I've been I don't know how I came across it online like months ago. And I haven't actually seen one in real life. Yeah, Mum just said it looks better in real life. Yes it is. Than on Instagram. But it's like basically designed for Instagram. Inside, it's pretty cool. And now, we're about to go inside Harrods. £695. We're in the V&A Museum and we just came to the cafe and look how good the cakes look. So I got tea and John got, wait, what was that, poppy seed and ricotta. Me and Mum got the Millionaire's shortbread and white chocolate and raspberry muffin, and we're gonna share half each. And then, yeah, Mum! Look at the room. We're in the Natural History Museum. Here is a Stegosaurus. Look! So good. And then, I'm not entirely sure what this is showing yet. I'm sure it will say somewhere nearby. It's super cool so far. I mean, we only just basically got in here. Look how cool this is. This is a piece of the moon, believe it or not. That is a literal piece of the moon. Who knew ostriches had feet like that? Because I did not realise that. And it's huge. This is a sloth, type of sloth, that is actually extinct. A whale, I'm pretty sure. Oh my, I'm just in awe of this. Like, oh. Look at this. Really cool mechanical kind of style T-Rex. I think it's T-Rex anyways. It's got tiny little arms. Like I thought it would have huge arms. It's got tiny arms, actually got really small eyes as well. So cool because it looks so realistic. It really does. Like it moves such a realistic way. Look at it. I find this so interesting. Like dinosaurs and like space and stuff like that. I've always found super interesting, but never really like researched loads about it. But I really find it so exciting. Like I'm really excited because I think this is where like soon we should see that giant T-Rex, I'm pretty sure, that's like in the massive room, I think, hopefully. And I just, I find dinosaurs so interesting, I really do. So this is a Triceratops. I can't see its tail from here. There we go. So cool.
Oh, guess what the
Camarasaurus. That's right. Just came out the Natural History Museum and it's absolutely amazing. Like I definitely recommend going there. Like I'm gonna go again. I'm now just like about to get on the tube possibly. However, there is absolutely huge queue outside the tube station, like to get in. There's loads and loads of people, so I'm not sure if we're gonna go on the tube or walk. It's kind of sad that we're leaving London. Then I'm kind of also happy to get home to be in my own bed, but yeah, it's been such a good time. I love London so much, so I'll show you the amount of people trying to get in the tube station. Like they're queuing to get in, so looks very busy. But hopefully we get a seat on the train on the way back. Like it's hopefully the main thing, but I don't really know what we're gonna do because I think it might be a fair way to like get to the next tube station, so I think we're going for it. They actually just shut the underground, like the tube station shutters, so we can't go through there. We're just figuring out where to go. It's so busy around here right now. We decided to get an Uber in the end, so that's what we're currently doing inside. Oh, can't see John. And then we will be at the train station and we're gonna get some like food as well because we need to have some dinner, and I think we're just gonna get sandwiches or something, aren't we?
maybe
Are we?
a burger.
Oh, or a burger. Even better. And I don't think we're too far off. We're near Marble Arch, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Are we?
Yeah, well done. Well, basically going to Hyde Park at the moment. Yeah, we're heading to Marble Arch area.
Yeah. We're on the train home, but basically it had got a little bit delayed because we didn't know what platform it was on until like, we were supposed to be on the train at that point. We're most likely probably going to miss our next train once we get off of this one. The next one to get home we're probably going to miss because we literally have like 1 minute to get on it, and that's if this train is completely on like track and how long it gets back, if that makes sense. Dark outside. Got my hula hoops. Barbecue hula hoops, that's my favourites. And yeah, like I said, I'm not sure what we're gonna do if we do miss the train, but we're about to arrive, but we only have like 1 minute to run to our next train. If not, they apparently might like provide us with some transport to get to like our hometown. But yeah, we're gonna try and make the train, but it's not very likely since we have 1 minute. And is it like the other side of the station or something? Yeah, the other side of the station. So Wish us luck. They've arranged for a minibus to pick us up because there was like loads, like 10 of us who missed the train back, so we've got to get on a taxi to get home. They basically arranged for us to get a taxi, and now, yeah, we're now home. We've been home for about half an hour or so, and I had such a great 2 days. Obviously today's vlog was separate to yesterday's vlog, but yeah, I had such an amazing time in London. Like, we did so many exciting things. It was just absolutely fabulous. The Natural History Museum was amazing, the Phantom was amazing. Just, I had such an amazing time. So thank you so much to my mum and John for taking me, and I just had such a great time, and we got to spend loads of like time together, and it was really, really nice. So thank you so much. And also thank you to you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!